Hey Demo Day audience, we are Trane New York's Hackathon team, a passionate group of forward-thinking, future-focused young people who embrace artificial intelligence technologies, but we realize that the future of sustainable cities cannot be handed over to the robots just yet. We've been driving energy savings in New York City buildings through the RTEM program since 2017, and we are regular participants in REBNY's PropTech Challenge. We lead with innovation, but are grounded by our unique New York style.
We know that electrification is a major strategy that is going to enable New York to reach its energy reduction goals. With access to the vast Hackathon dataset, our team of data scientists aim to develop decarbonization solutions that would have the greatest positive impact to New York buildings. We wasted no time getting started with the metadata and found that there were over 30 million square feet of impacted space in the commercial office sector. So this is where we started.
In New York's electrification journey, electrified heat and hot water everywhere will mean the heaviest grid congestion is likely to occur in early January mornings rather than July afternoons. These loads will have to shift to other times to keep that peak manageable. Trane storage source heat pumps are a simple and more sustainable way to store and recover the building's waste energy to deliver heating in the winter as well as cooling all year round.
The Hackathon dataset gave us the ability to model the impact of this solution on actual New York City office buildings. Our storage source heat pump model resulted in a 64% annual kilowatt hour savings and over 65,000 metric tons of carbon-based emissions saved. When we expanded that to include all of the commercial space in the Hackathon dataset, we estimate the total carbon equivalency impact to be 6 million gallons of diesel consumed, 71 million pounds of coal burned, and 161 million miles driven by vehicles. Not bad for a bunch of oversized ice cubes.
Trane's thermal energy storage solutions are ready to go right now in New York City. To date, Trane has helped clients across New York City install over 68,000 ton-hours of capacity through thermal storage. Trane New York City's thermal storage portfolio can eliminate as much as 240,000 kilowatt hours of consumption off the grid during peak demand times. Trane is the leading engineer, design consultant, installer, and commissioner of distributed energy resources in New York City, and we are prepared to support the increased adoption as the industry catches on to the best kept secret in storage.